I would love to see in this generation people who understand the cross and know the heart of God and can live in freedom and know who they are.
So one of the main highlights that I just really loved about this trip was that we got to visit a pastor, and so she actually was spending her spring break remodeling the church. And so we went in there for a day for multiple hours just painting, pulling out trees. People were breaking down fences. They were washing buses. They have full-time jobs, so they wouldn't have been able to do this without us. The husband actually started crying because he was so just thankful and grateful, and the wife said that it would have taken probably about 2 years for them to do it themselves. So, it was so rewarding to just be able to help them.
How about you? Do you want to choose the book for us? Let's get to work.
One of the girls looked up at me and she goes, "You're so beautiful," and I'm not. And it really broke my heart. That was a moment where I was just like, God, give me something for this little girl. And I was able to just sit with her and tell her how much God loved her and what He thought of her, and the fact that she is made beautiful in His image. It was one of those moments where you just look up at the kid and you see that look of hope in their eyes, like, wow, I finally realized something, like something clicked for her. She walked away with the biggest smile on her face that I had seen all night.
Being here at Summit, and ever since we got here, living for the benefit of others, we're always reminded of it. And it goes beyond just, this is what we do at Summit. Because what I've truly found, and I know all of us have found, is that as we read through the Bible, we find that the theme, living for the benefit of others, is all over Scripture. It's not something that, Pastor Teresa just came up with. It's something that is a foundational truth of the Bible.